Alright guys, so I'm going to be using the curl sealer from Taliah Waajid. Usually I use the curl jello, but for some reason I couldn't find the actual product in the store. I'm not sure if it's discontinued or if they switched the formula and changed the name, but I'm trying to see if these actually are similar or if they even do the same thing. Lately, I've been using this method similar to the praying hands method, and I find that it works really well with my hair, especially with a product of this type of consistency. So I'm also going to be doing my edges using the touchdown edge control and of course my edgy brush. You guys already know I love this brush, and I'm just going to be slicking my edges down before my hair starts to air dry. After air drying, this is how my hair came out. It looks a little frizzy here because I ended up stretching my hair, which I shouldn't have done before the video, but I hope you guys enjoy this and I'll see you next time.